Welcome believer to my channel One Believe with Tariq with the new fresh episode. Without delaying and taking your valuable time, let us start the today video, which is an extremely important in designing your success. How much do you know about yourself? 10% or 99%? I don't know. You have to find out yourself. This is a very important to know first about yourself. Most of the time, we know others very well, but about ourselves, we don't know. Why I'm raising this? Because today's subject is about emotions. Do you know how emotionally you are? High, medium, or low emotional? Male, female? You have to find out yourself. Emotions are very important in the career. I believe it is one of the key to success. How to control your emotions while working in a company, organization, shop, or in a marketplace. If you receive a phone call or email or SMS from your line manager, your boss, your management, or from the owner, and he agree or happy with you or with your idea or with your performance, or he want to take your opinion or advice, you feel top of the world, and your emotions can be visible to everyone, and you share normally with everyone. Oh, someone called me. You start sharing the story with putting sugar coating, on the top of it, and start sharing and discussing with everyone. On the other side, or let's say on the other hand, if same thing happened and if you received a phone call or email message from your boss, line manager, management, owner, and he disagree with your ideas, or unhappy with your performance, or he doesn't like your reports or anything, what will happen? Your emotions will not be the same. Your emotions will go down. And immediately you will start thinking, I will resign from the company. I will leave the job. I don't want to work anymore in this company or in this field or in this environment. And then immediately you start, your emotions will bring you all the negative part, whatever you have past. And then you start sharing with everyone with putting the salt coating. Earlier, remember, sugar, and now is salted because you are not happy. I'm sure it happened to you several times in your professional life. Here is one tip. No one cares how much you are upset. You have to take care of yourself. Anyone can be angry. That is easy. But you need to understand with whom you are and up to what level and for the right purpose and the right time. That is not easy. So, to be angry is easy, but not with whom. I am sure you have seen many people who resign when they are emotionally upset, and later in the life or immediately after resign, they realize, oh, they have to pay the loan, their children fees, they don't have the medical facility, they don't have a vehicle, they have several liabilities, and they felt actually they made a mistake. And then after some time you will find them, or they will feel they broke. On the other hand, smart people, they control their emotions. They are upset, they will upset, but they will control their emotions. And then when you control your emotions, you will see that later on, when you will find any opportunity, the same company, the same people will come back to you. They will discuss about your performance, but the key here, you will be in better position to negotiate, because at that time when you are upset, you have controlled your emotions and you have demonstrated that you are a mature person. You are a mature male or female, or you are serious about your workplace, and then company or organization or the decision maker will realize that they can invest on you. So this is one of the area that never take decision when you are emotionally happy or upset in your professional life. Keep learning about your emotions and keep watching my video. Thank you and take care.